Hi everyone, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate that you take time to click on this channel every Wednesday. We've been doing this for about 1.5 years, and I have enjoyed creating these videos and talking to you and letting you know all about the things that we do here at Achatz Handmade Pie Company. All things pie for the last 28 years it's been for my husband Dave and I. It really helps us when you click and you like and you share this video with your friends. It helps us to get the word out. We have a lot of opportunities here in Michigan for more growth, for more pie, for more jobs, and just more things to create here in Michigan. So I hope that you have the opportunity to come into any of our stores on Thursday, February 25th. Anytime, any one of our 6 stores, come on in, get your free slice of pie on that day when you show your phone that you are a subscriber to our YouTube channel. We thank you very much for being a subscriber, and I hope to see you on that day. All right, you guys, see you next week. Bye-bye.